Greetings, fellow guitar players. In this video, I'll talk about harmonizing a major scale, and I'll be talking about the F major scale mostly. After seeing the chords, we'll use arpeggios to form sweep picking patterns or start forming the patterns. So we have the F major scale. If I play one octave, it's the F major scale. So if I'm in the F major tone, what the other notes, which chords do the other notes get? Like if I wanted to play G, do I play major or minor? It's simple and easy to find. The way to find a chord is select the note you want in the scale, pick the first, third, and the fifth note intervals of that note. So in F major, what will F get? First note is F. Third note, I skip the 2, it's the G. So I skip the G, F, A, and I skip the fourth. The fifth is C. F, A, C. So you can hear the joyful sound of this triad. Mostly major chords sound more joyful, while the minor chords sound darker. It would be like this is joyful, this is darker, this is the minor interval, this is the major third interval. So if I want to check out what chord G gets, I pick the first, I skip the second, I get the third, it already sounds dark, and the fifth. So easier way to play the G minor chord is the major or minor vibes come from the third interval in these simple chords. So if you have major third, it's a major chord. If you have a minor chord interval, minor third interval, it's a minor chord, which is darker, while the major is more joyful. So you can find yourself the other notes, which will they get. You can check it out and learn them. So I will go over them quickly. First one is obviously F major, because we are in F major tone. G minor, A minor, B flat major, C major, D minor, E minor, flat 5. This is a diminished note, flat 5. So instead of we get this flat 5, it's still minor, but the fifth is flat. It makes more tense, the chord more tense. And lastly, we are in F major, one octave higher again. So this is the F major scale harmonized. You can do this for any major scale. It's the same. So you start with major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, minor flat 5, and major again. So if I want to do it from the C, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, flat 5, and major again, one octave higher. It's the same order for all the major chords. Now let's get into the arpeggios. So easy way to make an arpeggio is playing the chord notes I told you about, the 1, the 3rd, and the 5th. Not in the same time like a chord, but we play in them separately. So if I have F's 1, 3rd, and 5th, now again 1, 3rd, and 5th, 1, 3rd, and a 5th. All these notes are F, A, and C. 1/3 and 5th of the F scale. So if I want to go G minor, 1/3 and 5th of the G in the F major tone. Same goes for the A. The flat 5 and major again. So let me show you the shapes first and you can practice. First the major arpeggio. Okay, 1, 5, 3 in the 5th string, again 3 in the 4th string, 2 in the 3rd string, we slide up to 5, 6 in the 2nd string, 5th in the 1st string, and 8 in the 1st string. If you want to play sweep picking, the idea is to pick through only one direction. So if I'm going down the scale or down the scale, I'm always playing down pick and sweeping the strings. I only hit each string once, so if I need to play more than one note in a string, I'll either hammer on, pull off, or slide. So I down pick, hammer on, down pick, down pick, down pick, slide, down pick, down pick. Now I'm turning my way back up, so I'll start playing up picking, upstrokes, upstroke, pull off, upstroke, upstroke, slide, upstroke, 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 pull off. This is the major arpeggio. You can play it in any, starting from any note, and it will be that note's major arpeggio. If you start from G and play that shape, you get the G major arpeggio. Same goes for A major arpeggio. But in our tone, in F major, the G and the E are minor, both minor. So let's check out the G minor arpeggio. The only thing changes is the 3rd interval, as I told you while working on the chords. So instead of going this, so minor 3rd is half step lower than the major 3rd, and it gives the darker sound. Okay, downstroke, 3rd, 6th, 5th, 5th, 3rd, slide, 7th, 8th, 6th, 10. Now I'm turning back to upstrokes. Sorry, I played the major 3rd there, but it should be that. Same goes for the A minor. So it's easy. If you learn a shape, you can use it anywhere you want. Just the note change. So this is the minor arpeggio. You can play it anywhere you want, and it will be that note's minor arpeggio. So we learned the 2 arpeggios. We can go up to this one, which is the flat 5. Let's do it. F major, G minor, A minor, B flat major, C major, D minor, E minor flat 5. So now our arpeggio changes because our 5th is now flat. So it's minor, starts like a minor, but instead of going this 5th, we have this 5th one note lower. Okay, start 15, 13, 14, slide, 15, 17, 15, and 18. And again, the F major, we turn back to it, 1 octave higher. So this is all about harmonizing the major scale and the arpeggios. You can create great ideas, great sweep pickings, great chord movements just by knowing this simple trick. I'll see you in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'm giving Skype lessons. You can check out the link below. And if you want to support me as a musician living in a poor economy country, you can always order from my merch shop. The link is also below. Thank you for all the support. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.